Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Newsfeed Career Plus. So let's start our current affairs of 25th and 26th July 2021 from today's importance. So on this day, it is celebrated as National Parents Day and Kargil Vijay Divas. National Parents Day is observed on the fourth Sunday in July, and in 2021 it falls on the 25th July. This day is celebrated to honor all the parents who play a vital role in the lives of children. Their unconditional love and sacrifice for their children can't be measured. And Kargil Vijay Divas is observed on 26 July and is named after the success of Operation Vijay. The Kargil War was ended on 26 July, which continues approximately 60 days. This day is celebrated to honor the Kargil War heroes. And going to the current affairs, and the first question is, which of the following state has approved the Youth Policy 2021? And the options are A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Assam, C. Meghalaya, and D. Jammu and Kashmir. And the correct answer is C. Meghalaya. 31% of the population of the state and Youth Affairs Department of Meghalaya policy has been drafted by the Sports and Youth Affairs Department of Meghalaya. And the second question is, in which of the following city world's first 3D printed steel pedestrian bridge is established? And the options are A. Amsterdam, B. Copenhagen, C. London, and D. Paris. And the correct answer is A. Amsterdam. Project has been opened on the Odyssey Achterbergel Canal, Amsterdam. Bridge has been constructed by MX3D, an Amsterdam-based 3D metal printing company. The entire printing process, with the help of 4 robots, took just 6 months. The length of the bridge is nearly 40 feet. And the third question is, Clopas Dalmini has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which of the following country? And the options are A. Egypt, B. Eswatini, C. Ethiopia, and D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Eswatini. Fourth question is, which of the following has decided to set up Panchayat Secretariat in all the Panchayats? And the options are A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Gujarat, C. Telangana, and D. Uttar Pradesh. And the correct answer is D. Uttar Pradesh. And the fifth question is, whose autobiography is named as The Stranger in the Mirror? And the options are A. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra, B. Om Prakash Birla, C. Jyotirao Phule, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra. He has co-written the book with noted author Rit Ramurthy Gupta. The autobiography has published by Krupa Publications. And the sixth question is, who among the following was named as AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year 2020-2021. And the options are A. Suresh Singh, B. Baladevi, C. Manisha Kalyan, and D. Sandesh Jingan. And the correct answer is D. Sandesh Jingan. Sandesh Jingan was named the AIFF Men's Footballer of the Year 2020-2021. Suresh Singh Wangjam was named as the Emerging Player for the year 2020 to 2021. In Saturday Current Affairs, we have got this beat. Baladevi was named Women's Footballer of the Year for 2020-21. Baladevi becomes third time winner of AIFF Women's Player of the Year. Baladevi previously named AIFF Women's Player of the Year in 2014 and 2015. Manisha Kalyan won the Women's Emerging Footballer of the Year for the year 2020-2021. AIFF award for the best referee went to Tejas Nagvenkar. Sumanta Datta was adjudged for the AIFF award for the best assistant referee. And All India Football Federation founded on 23rd June 1937 and headquartered in Dwarka, Delhi. The current president of All India Football Federation, that is AIFF, is Praful Patel. And the seventh question is, who among the following is the oldest Olympian participating at the 2020 Tokyo? And the options are A. Lyndall Oatley, B. Mary Hanna, C. Christy Oatley, and D. Kelly Lane. And the correct answer is B. Mary Hanna. Equestrian Mary Hanna is from Australia, is the only oldest Olympian participating at the 2020 Tokyo. Mary Hanna, at the age of 66, will be participating in her 7th Olympic Games. She becomes the second oldest female athlete in the Olympics history. The oldest woman at the Olympic Games remains Britain's Lorna Johnstone. She had set the record by competing at the 1972 Games at the age of 70. Hand Zaza from Syria is the youngest athlete to feature at the Tokyo Olympics at an age of 12. She will be representing Syria in TT, the first Syrian to qualify for TT at Olympics. TT means table tennis. And the eighth question is, who among the following becomes first athlete to receive a own Twitter emoji? And the options are A. Jordan Chilis, B. Sunisa Lee, C. Simon Biles, and D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. Simon Biles. Biles' Twitter emoji is a goat wearing a leotard and a gold medal. The symbol is a referee to Biles' status as the GOAT, greatest of all time. Who among the following flagged in the Indian Army's skying expedition Armex 21? The options are A. Narendra Modi, B. Rajnath Singh, C. Amit Shah, and D. Piyush Goyal. And the correct answer is B. Rajnath Singh. Armex 21 was conducted in the mountain ranges of the Himalayan region to promote the adventure activity in the country and the Indian Army. And the 10th question is, which of the following organization develops highly efficient super hydrophobic and super oleophilic cotton by radiation technology? The options are A. ISRO, B. DRDO, C. NASA, and D. BARC. A. ISRO, B. DRDO, C. NASA, and D. BARC. And the correct answer is D. BARC. BARC develops highly efficient super hydrophobic and super oleophilic cotton by radiation technology. Super absorbent cotton has been developed by Dr. Subhendu Rai Chowdhury, Baba Atomic Research Center, BARC, founded in 1954 and headquartered in Trombay, Bombay. Current director of Baba Atomic Research Center is Ajit Kumar Mohanty. And the 11th question is, which of the following country is the first to allow commercial production of generically modified golden rice? The options are A. Sweden, B. Japan, C. Philippines, and D. Germany. And the correct answer is C. Philippines. Philippines is the first to allow commercial production of generically modified golden rice. And the 12th question is, who among the following becomes first tennis player to light Olympic cauldron? And the options are A. Roger Federer, B. Naomi Osaka, C. Serena Williams, and D. both B and C. And the correct answer is B. Naomi Osaka. In the modern era, the Olympic flame first appeared at the 1928 Amsterdam Games. The idea for the flame first had been suggested by Theodore Levard. Youngest person ever to light the Olympic flame was Robin Perry at the age 12, who lit the flame at the 1988 Calgary Olympic Winter Games. And the 13th question is, which institute has launched Technology Innovation Hub to find cyber security for drones? And the options are A. IIT Kanpur, B. IIT Ropar, C. IIT Madras, and D. IIT Delhi. And the correct answer is A. IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur has launched Technology Innovation Hub to find cyber security for drones. And the 14th question is, who among the following won the silver in weightlifting women's 49 kilos category for India? And the options are A. Clinch, D. Yang Queen, C. Mirabai Chanu, and D. Jihui Hua. And the correct answer is C. Mirabai Chanu. And the correct answer is C. Mirabai Chanu. Mirabai Chanu won the silver in weightlifting women's 49 kilos category for India. China's Clinch won the first gold medal of Tokyo Olympics in women's 10 meters air rifle shooting. Yang Queen set Olympic record of 251.8 to win the medal at Osaka shooting range. Mirabai Chanu becomes the first Indian weightlifter to win a silver medal in Olympics. She becomes second Indian woman to win Olympic medal in weightlifting. Karnam Malleshwari is the first Indian woman weightlifter to win an Olympic medal. She won the bronze medal and became the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. And congratulations Mirabai Chanu ji. She snatched at 86 kilos, clean and jerk is at 110 kilos. 6 lifts and having 6 Commonwealth records. India is proud of you. And the 15th question is Indian Railways Oxygen Express transports 200 empty liquid medical oxygen to which of the following country? And the options are A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Myanmar, and D. Bangladesh. And the correct answer is D. Bangladesh. And the 16th question is Satish Kalzekar passed away recently. He is renowned for which of the following? And the options are A. Writer, B. Author, C. Poet, and D. Actor. And the correct answer is C. Poet. Satish Kalsekar is a poet. He was awarded with Sahitya Akademi Award in 2014 for Vachanaryachi Rojanishi. His popular collections of poems are Indriyopshinad, Sakshat, and Vilambik. And the one-liners today are 4th Youth Men's and Women's National Championships begins at Sonipat. IOA announces 75 lakh rupees cash award for gold medal winners. Yusra Mardini and Tachlovini Gabriosis announced as flag bearers of the IOC Refuse Olympic team. US Secretary of State Antony J. Blinken will visit India on 27th and 28th of July. INS Tabar reaches St. Petersburg as part of 5-day goodwill visit to Russia. Meghalaya introduced NCC as an optional subject in undergraduate courses. Martha from Brazil is the first player to score 5 straight Olympic goals. IOA ropes in Adani Group as sponsor for Tokyo Olympics. Kenneth Jester named advisor to Global Board of US-India Business Council. Sumit Nagal becomes third Indian to win a singles match in Olympic team. Sumit defeats Denis Istomin in first round of the tennis men's. Hoping a medal for India, let's cheer for India. And thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Comment down your doubts below about current affairs. Stay home, stay safe.